to give and not to count the cost, to fight and not to heed the wounds, to toil and not to seek for rest, to labor and not to ask for reward, save that of knowing I am doing your will. Amen. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay. So we're now on the last part of skills training. Well, welcome back from your immersion. Okay, so we'll spend the next few minutes. I just want to know, remember I told you when I set you off 17 days ago, yes, it was September 11. 17 days ago, I told you, mag-consumer research kayo para hindi kayo mahirapan sa gagawin natin ngayon. Okay? So you went on that. So I asked you these things. I gave you this list. I said, please understand the enterprise, how they started, how it works, successes and challenges, their aspirations, and try to imbibe their essence or their presence, okay? Their spirit of their business. So, what did you guys learn? Yes.
For our company, it was CCAP.
What's CCAP?
Cultural Crafts Association of the Philippines.
Okay.
They mainly target 30 to 45-year-old women, mostly abroad.
That's their target audience.
Yeah,
Pasang patay na tayo dito. Hindi pa naman. Sige,
70%
mo.
of their sales are from exports.
Okay, so they're mostly for export.
Yeah, but they're trying to branch out here in around the same market.
Okay.
But what they've encountered was they've had trouble in the online market space because they didn't know the logistics for online retail.
Okay.
Because usually it's made to order.
Oh,
They
okay.
order abroad and then they have a quota. But here it's like you always have to have stock ready. And they're still
Yeah.
trying to figure out like a successful model that would work here in the Philippines.
So you understand their initial model is B2B.
Yeah.
It's business to business. You know? People, there are enterprises abroad, okay, who look for the market for them and say, I need so many, let's say Christmas decors, I need so many Santa Claus, whatever, climbing down the chimney, kind of a thing. And that's what they do, right? So ngayon, they went from B2B to B2C. Okay, good. Anyone else? Anyone else? What did you learn from your community partners? Guys, namasyal lang kayo. Nagpainit lang kayo. Anong ginawa niyo? Sige na. Sorry? Uy, dami yun.
Anyone from Purple Market?
Nangyari? Yes, my dear.
We learned that Purple Market is the sustainability parts of Guatemala.
Okay, and?
Their primary labor example is the commodity steel and other sectors, which
What do they sell?
food and non-food products. Like,
So what are their food products?
peanut butter,
Processed food, okay. Peanut butter, ano pa?
chili garlic oil,
Okay, ano pa?
vinegar.
Anong klase?
So, pinakurat.
Okay, pinakurat,
And then
okay.
non-food products such as
Bagong-bago lahat, di ba? They're all new, guys. Diba? Breakthrough products. Sige, tapos ano pa? Kaya ng problema kapag breakthrough yung product eh. Oh, ano pa?
Those made out of used maong. So they're
Sorry?
private-
There's maong? Oh, yeah. Used cheese turned into what?
used tote bags.
Tote bags. Okay, sa pambagong-bago. Bata pa ako may product na ganun. Eh, matanda na ako. So, di ba? Bagong-bago yun. Ano pa? Where do they sell?
Basahan po. Made of retazo.
Yung mga basahan. Okay. Okay. And what did you learn? Other than the fact that yun ang ginagawa nila?
Lahat po ng
Saan sila hirap? Ano yung pain point nila?
pain points, siguro po yung flexibility of time. They all have their own respective responsibilities. Hindi nag-match yung type of activity. So we can meet and discuss and create the products like all
Okay.
together. So they do the products at their own and other levels.
Okay.
And
And then what? They drop it at the may hub na inaanan nila o iniikutan sila?
they have their own flagship store po.
Okay.
Nearby the Partner. And another challenge is
Okay. Okay. So, at least maliwanag sa inyo kung ano yung pangangailangan nila. Di ba? Of course, the other thing that you need to tie up with is what do you know about this market? Kasi dito kayo magbebenta eh. Remember, you're going to do a bazaar here. Dito nyo dadalhin yung produkto nila, yung mga partners nyo. So, ito yung mga bebentahan nyo. Mga kapwa at inisa ninyo. Hindi sa labas, di ba? Because that's what's gonna happen. How many days yung bazaar? 2 days. So, 2 days, there'll be 2 days wherein you will encourage your fellow Ateneans, okay, to buy products. So, it's very important that you understand the need of this market. Kayo, what makes them happy? What are their pleasure points and what are their pain points? What do they like? What don't they like? What do they look for? What are they not looking for? What are their shopping habits? What do they buy? What do they feel like buying? What are their media habits? Because they don't come to school. They will not come to school then for those 2 days but wanting to buy. It's not like they went to the mall. Hindi ka ito pag, when your mindset is pupunta ka ng mall, mamimili ka. Pupunta ka ng Ateneo, sana mag-aral. Pangalawa, tsumika. Di ba? Alam naman natin kung ano yung priority doon sa dalawa. Di ba? So, kailangan nyo maintindihan kung ano yung media. Kasi you need to reach them. Guys, your window is only 2 days. Your window to sell the products of your partners are only 2 days. Okay? And what does that mean, di ba? Sana, yung 2 days na yun, makabenta sila. Di ba? Ngayon, yung makabenta sila, a big portion of that nakasalalay sa inyo. Okay? Bakit nakasalalay sa inyo? Kasi gagawa kayo ng gagawa kayo ng communications plan. Okay? Yun ang contribution nyo. Kasi nga, they'll put the market here already. So your contribution is how to make a plan or to make a plan that will encourage the 10,000 Ateneans, 10,000 ang college, okay, bumili. Okay, so marketing communication, very briefly, is the fundamental complex set of efforts to effectively, efficiently communicate with its target customers. So ngayon alam niyo na kung ano yung produkto nila, ano yung kailangan nila ibenta, sana malaman, kilala nyo yung kakausapin ninyo. Okay? So, where do you start in marketing? We call it a customer journey. Okay, and the customer journey is composed of 5 parts. There's awareness, consideration, convert, become loyal, advocacy. For the purpose of our activity, hanggang dito lang tayo. Ha? Hindi ko na kayo hihinga ng mga advocacy, hindi ko kahihinga ng loyal. Hihingan ko lang kayo ng awareness, okay? At conversion. Conversion means purchase. Okay? So you are going to make a marketing communications plan for those 2 days to that will create awareness and encourage purchase. Okay tayo so far? Yeah, okay. Okay. So saan tayo mag-uumpisa? This is a simple this is a simple demonstration of communication. You have a sender, you have a receiver, you have a message, and you have a medium. Okay? Ganyan ang simplistic flow ng communication. Ano ba ang totoo nangyayari? Ito ang totoong world. This is called clutter. There's just so many things out there. Okay? And what you need to do is to cut through the clutter. Okay? You need to, in order for you to effectively create awareness and consideration, you need to cut through that clutter. Okay? And so how do you make effective communication that cuts through the clutter? First is creativity. You need to be creative. But I don't know how to paint, I don't write poems, I don't sing, it's got nothing to do with that part. Creativity is not always about being artistic. Okay? So, tanggalin natin sa utak natin, pag creative ka, kailangan artist ka. Hindi. Okay? Sabi nga ni Einstein, creativity is intelligence having fun. Okay? Sabi ni Dorothy Parker, who's a poet and a writer, creativity is a wild mind, but with a disciplined eye. Okay, you think big, but you condition yourself to see what works. Hindi puro wild lang. Hindi puro, it's so much fun, let's do this. Hindi ganon. Okay? Kasi at the end of the day, meron pa rin tayong gustong gawin. Meron pa rin tayong negosyong gustong ma-achieve. Steve Jobs says this, creativity is just connecting the dots or things. When you ask creative people how they did something, they feel a little guilty, I agree, because they didn't really do it, they just saw something. It seemed obvious to them after a while. That's because they were able to connect experiences that had synthesized new things. That's why when I told you to go out there, I asked you about their experiences. And also when you start looking at your target market, you have to look at experiences. Okay? So, there are two dimensions to creativity. First dimension, impact. Okay? Kailangan. Pero, you need to balance impact, hindi pa rin puro impact. You need to balance it with relevance. Okay, let's define impact. Great communication makes impact on the target audience. Diba? Impact is that boom fact, boom. Bakit? Ano yung gusto sa boom? There's a national surprise. Why? Because you want people to look at you. Okay? Actually, what you're looking for when you create impact is that aha moment. What we call in marketing aha moment. It's that sudden realization, inspiration, insight, recognition, or comprehension na, yeah, I think I like that product. Oh my God, so good. Oh my God, I want to buy that. Okay? Next point is relevance. What's relevance? Relevance is not relevance to your enterprise. It's relevance to your target audience. Okay? So it can mean so many things. How does it make them feel? Does it solve their problem? Does it resonate with them? Does it complete their lives? Does the peanut butter complete their life at that moment? Diba? Does that tote bag, somebody say, oh my God, I need it because I have this tote bag. You have to look at, will it simplify their lives? Malay mo, a jar of peanut butter simplifies their life. Pag nagugutom sila lagi, all they need to do is have that jar with them all the time, no? And a spoon, and they're okay. It simplifies their hunger pangs. Does it arouse their curiosity? Does it give them hope? Does it bring them closer to their goals? Yun ang titignan niyo sa relevance. Okay? Huwag yung, why will they buy the tote? Sige, punta tayo sa tote bag. Lalagyan. Okay? Maybe it's not that. Maybe it's a little, maybe, it makes carrying out things easier for them. Okay? So sabi nga ni Steve Jobs, don't just create awareness. Create relevance. Kasi people will not pay attention to you if it's not important to them. That's why critical, maintindihan ninyo ano yung importante sa target audience. Why do you do that? Because you want to capture the attention of your target audience. That's the point of any marketing communication piece. That's why all publicity materials first must capture. Why not? Because there's clutter. They don't think about you 24/7. When they pass up like dead, they're not looking at you. They don't. So you need to capture their attention. Why? Because you want to encourage them to stop and think about your message. Sino may mga orgs dito? Kita niyo yung mga pubmas dyan, daming nilalagay, di ba? Punong-puno, hindi ko alam kung ano ba una kong babasahin. So, what do you look at first? What do you need to understand about your target audience? What are their pain points? What are their pleasure points? Why do you need to know that? Because you need to provide the information, not what you want to say, but what is relevant and important to them. That's why it's so important you understand their experience and not your proposition. Kasi hindi talaga kayo papansin. Okay? So you understand their pain points and their pleasure points and provide the relevant, impactful information that will address those pain points and those pleasure points. Example. Ay, audio. Sandali.
You're watching a 15-second Burger King ad, which is unfortunately not enough time to explain all the fresh ingredients in the Whopper sandwich. But I got an idea. Okay, Google, what is the Whopper burger?
Sorry.
Quit messing with my mind. Quit messing with my emotions.
You're watching a 15-second Burger King ad, which is unfortunately not enough time to explain all the fresh ingredients in the Whopper sandwich. But I got an idea. Okay, Google, what is the Whopper burger?
According to Wikipedia, the Whopper is a burger
consisting of a flame grilled quarter-pound beef patty,
sesame seed bun, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato,
pickles, ketchup,
and sliced onion.
The problem is the definitions are coming from the Whopper's Wikipedia page.
People trolled the absolute hell out of Burger King by constantly changing what Wikipedia said.
Patty made with 100% medium-sized child.
And after a few back and forth entries, Burger King eventually restored the original content.
Google says it made changes to stop its devices from responding.
At first, Google had said it would fix it, but then apparently Burger King released additional ads last night that still trigger it. So,
Okay, Google.
Okay, Google, what is the Whopper burger?
Oh, it did work. It did work.
These are the results. 9.3 billion global impressions. $135 million in earned media. Trending topic on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Google Trends. Burger King's most talked about TV spot in history. Started a debate around the limits of advertising and invasive technology.
Listen, was this innovative? Yes. It's pretty smart, but the future does scare me.
And also, it does shine a light on the very real problem we're going to have with integrated smart households.
Okay, Google, thank you.
Whenever.
Wow, I just built the most amazing workflow.
So, where do you start? Actually, you always start with a problem. Your problem is how do you come up with an effective communication that will help sell your products. So, guys, you have to remember this. A well-defined problem is always half the solution. Is already half the solution. Kasi kadalasan, inuunahan natin kagad ng sagot eh. Oh, this is the solution already. Hindi pa naiintindihan yung tanong. Hindi nyo pa naiintindihan kung ano yung problema. Okay? So remember that, a well-defined problem. So figure out what you need to answer, and then we go to what we now say. So creativity is very important. So creative without strategy is called art. Creative with strategy is called advertising. So now that you need creativity, now you need to be creative. Okay? How do you now organize that? You organize that through, okay, sorry, before I go to that, creativity, guys, is not a talent. It is not. Because I'm not creative. I can barely draw. The only thing I can draw are stick figures. But I like to believe I'm creative. How is that? You know what creativity means? That's why it's called a process. When it takes 5 steps to do something, and you figure it out in 3, that's creative. Well, you became effective. You took away 2 steps. What did you save? Time and effort and money. That's creative, guys. Anywhere you go, wherever you work, whether it's your own enterprise or a corporation, the guy who was able to do that, I remember there was a time, I had a student ask me, Ma'am, who gets paid the most in any corporation? Sabi ko, the guy who solves the problem. Why will they hire you if they can solve it themselves? Okay? So that's creativity is not a talent, it's a way of doing things. So because it's a way of doing things, okay, you always organize your creativity using a strategy. You're all song people, di ba? Okay, what's a strategy? Bakit pala yung parang walang kausap dito sa klase ito? Ang dami ninyo, ba't para ako walang kausap? What's a strategy, guys? Juniors, right? O seniors na? Juniors. Magbibigyan ko kayo kung freshman kayo, pero juniors kayo. What's a strategy, guys? Sumaila. Uy! Dahil ba alas 2 ng hapon, naanto kayo, ano, di kayo nagkape, what? What's the strategy? Yes! Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, what's the strategy? What's your name?
Jeff.
Jeff? Jeff. Okay, Jeff, what's the strategy?
A strategy is a method or a process of doing things to reach a certain goal.
Correct. In one word, it's called a plan. Correct. That wasn't so hard, guys, di ba? Yes, it is a plan. Okay? So a plan that identifies important strategic choices required to make the brand message. Okay? Kasi that's not the problem. There are so many options. There are so many possibilities. What a strategy is you make those strategic or those pinpoint choices. Okay? Kasi you say, how do we communicate? We say this. Kaya nga strategy, piliin ninyo. Kasi hindi lahat magwo-work. Okay? O hindi, wala kayong masyadong panahon. Kailan ang bazaar?
November 13, 14.
O, November 13. Ilang weeks kayo so, minimum 2 weeks before may PubMat na dapat kayo. Minimum. Wag yung, bukas yung bazaar, ngayon kayo maglalabas. Okay? Marami ako nakikitang ganon. Bukas yung event, ilalabas ngayon yung poster the night before. Saka, ay wow. Tapos magtatanong sa, ma'am, walang pumunta. Ay, bakit kaya? Diba? Kasi walang may alam. Okay, so it's a plan. And, okay, sorry. So it's a plan. Okay, and the strategic choices are basically 2. The medium or the media that you will use, and that thing we call the big idea. Okay? Ano ba yung big idea? It's the single concept or emotion huge enough to capture the human truth in an impactful manner. Okay? Bakit big idea? Bakit idea? Hindi ideas. Bakit isa lang? Paano pag maraming emotions na malalaki? Ano mangyayari? Ma-overwhelm ka. Diba? So what you need is focus. You need one big emotion that captures a human truth. Why is the human truth so important? So that you get that instant connection. Kasi dito yan guys, naglalakad yung kapwa atinis, makakalabitin mo yung tingin ka dito. Okay? That's what your material should be able to do. Call their attention. Now, how do you call their attention you use a big idea. So, when you come up with your publicity materials, okay? So now you need to identify what's that big emotion. Okay? You have to sit down and say, bakit sila bibili ng, ano yung pinagbibili nung, exporter nyo? What do they sell?
Crafts, like different
Handicrafts.
crafts, baskets, gacha bags, ganun.
Okay. Maybe you should also be able to help them figure out what you think will be the products that will be sellable here.
Curated.
Okay? Hindi yung lahat ng SKU, storekeeping yun. Lahat ng produkto nila, bibit-bitin nila dito. You're supposed to be the expert on that. So you must be able to figure out which of their product lines would be sellable here. Okay? So, when you make your proposition, it should be single-minded. What do you mean by single-minded? Say one thing and say it well. Say one thing and say it well. Because now your problem is clutter. Okay? And this is an example of what is not a good single proposition. It's heart healthy, it's great tasting, it's all natural, it's single origin, it's artisan, it's fine, it's fitting, and it's also good value. That's not single-minded. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And being able to put it in one poster doesn't make it single-minded. Okay? I've seen sa mga publicity material. Yung bang in one publicity material, 4 at 5 font style. Tuwan-tuwa sa font, guys. Parang nung nagtabo ng Diyos ng font, ginamit nyo lahat, di ba? Boom! Ando lang, di ko alam paano titingnan ko. Tapos, ang daming kulay, ang daming lahat yata. Ilubos nyo yung kulay ng rainbow, wala lang ang kulay ng rainbow. Ginamit nyo yung Crayola, yung 48. Na na marami malaking kahon, di ba? Lahat ng pwede, gamitin, pati periwinkle, ginamit nyo, di ba? So, dahan-dahan sa you know, impact is actually, if you know this, impact is not necessarily the colorful impact, is that one big thing that hits you, okay? So, that's message, okay? So, sabi niya, ma'am, ano yun? Well, isipin niyo nga kung ano yung big emotion ng target audience, yun ang ikakabit nyo sa produkto ninyo. Okay? Now, go back to the model of communication. There's a sender, there's a receiver. Of course, we talked about the message. Be creative and relevant and impactful so that you're able to connect. But that's just half. The other half is the medium. Okay? Totoo rin naman, pati yung medium, yung media, dahil ang media environment, it's also cluttered. Now, what is a media? Well, it's a vehicle. It's any vehicle that carries the message to your target audience. Ganun lang kasimple. It's any vehicle. So it can be online, on-site, nahahawakan, hindi nahahawakan, manual, and it can be any vehicle that carries your message. So effectively choosing your media. Like creating your message, you should know your target audience. Why is it important to know your target audience? Because if you know them, you will know what they're doing at a particular time of day. Why is that important? Because you will know what kind of medium or media they are using. What contact points are they using? Okay? Hindi lahat yan sasabay-sabayin ninyo. So, for purposes of simplicity for your project, ano ba yung media na relevant sa project ninyo? I think there are just 3. Outdoor, so yung mga banners. Okay? Critical ngayon yan kung saan, okay, dahil banners yan, saan nyo sila ilalagay? Sa high pedestrian area. Pipiliin nyo. Ngayon, alam nyo rin may mga kalabang kayo ibang banners doon, di ba? So, ano yan? It's both positioning, okay, and messaging. So, billboard or banners outside, internet, you guys have chat groups, you guys have all sorts of groups, digital groups in your, that you use. And of course, as good old analog, walang kamatayang actually may work, are leafleting. What do you put in it? It can be a coupon, it can be a discount, it can be anything. That's part of the creativity. It's not just a leaflet of where to go. First 100 na bigyan nyo may discount. Okay? So from a media point of view, siguro naman gagamit ng TV, radyo, tsaka newspaper. Hindi naman kasi hindi naman realistic yun. Okay? So I think these are the 3 media that you can use. How you use it is really up to your creativity. Okay? So when do you do leafleting? Okay? When do you do internet? When do you send out messages digitally? What kind of messages do you send out? Right? You select the media where the target is most receptive to the proposition. Iba ang messaging nyo sa banner, iba ang messaging nyo sa digital, iba ang messaging nyo sa leaflet. They don't have, okay, it all has one objective, to bring them to the stall. But how it will bring them to the stall can be different. Okay? How you use each medium can be different, but it has the same objective. Yun ang tinatawag na strategy. Okay? Questions? Ngayon na kayo magtanong. Mga questions? Yes!
You
Come here.
said that,
So let marinig yung ano.
you said that everything has to have one big message.
Yep.
How do you decide the one big message?
That's where the strategy comes in. That's where the strategy comes in. So for example, what kind of what are the several big messages you have in mind? Do you have one already?
Yeah.
Okay, one. Give me two. O one lang naisip mo?
One.
Oh, wala ka pang pagpipilian, isa pa lang yun eh. No, but you understand me? That's why when you go back, guys, when you go back as a group, brainstorm. Think about it, because that's also the process that you need to go through. The process you need to go through is to brainstorm and discuss it. And guys, pag sa group kayo, huwag naman yung kung sino lang yung madadasya, yung pare, okay, yeah, do that, so good, let's do it, diba? Huwag kayong ganon, diba? Huwag kayong easy. I mean, have a discussion. Okay, so that's part of the learning in this, of the NST. We don't just comply, diba? Have a real feel for it. You know why? Because it will also help you down the road when you start after college. Because that's the real process you will go through when you join corporation. Walang kamatayang brainstorm ang life. Okay, walang kamatay. But anyway, what idea did you have? What big emotion did you have?
I was thinking playing to their empathy. So there's a craft. One of the craft is like it's something cute. So I thought buy something cute, feed a child or something like that. Like one thing, it's gonna feed the kid. Yeah.
Ikaw naman, feed the kid. Na charity ka agad tayo. Well, yes, and paano dun sa mga walang heart? Paano dun sa mga walang, I don't like kids, so, di ba? Paano yung mga, I don't like children humbug? Di ba? Paano yung sa mga gano'n, di ba?
You said pick the message to your target market.
And is that the majority of your target market? Okay, then if you're confident, that's fine. Diba? Kung yung bang, pick something cute for and feed a child. No. But, yeah. But you don't want them to buy one thing. Just one thing. You want them to be able to be happy with their purchase as well. Diba? So what are the products that they have? Do they have cute products? What's so cute about the basket? What are the products that they have?
Their products it ranges from trinkets to something useful. Like they have this egg basket, that chicken. It's really cute and it's functional.
Okay, who do you think will like that?
Oh, definitely moms.
Okay, so you're not buying it for you because it's cute. You're buying it for
My family because they can use it.
There you go. So it's not me and feed the child.
Yeah. Yung phone.
Diba? It's yung mga, get your Christmas gift from mommy, lola, auntie, and all my aunties, all get all the chickens in the ano. Diba? but you get me? November is how many weeks away from Christmas? A month, okay. Everybody's trying to figure out what to give, pero syempre, they're also trying to make their budget fit. Right? So you may want to look at that all, but you're not just going to put one poster with all the chicken and the egg. Yeah, exactly, di ba? So, but it still has to capture it, di ba? Okay? So you really need to sit down and understand two parties. The enterprise, but more importantly, your target audience. Okay? Okay. Good. O, may idea ka pa? Wala na.
I was gonna say,
Oh, go. Anong idea mo?
buy one thing, feed a child, buy more, feed the family.
Guard! Sana security, malusing to. Piniloso po ako asa. Yeah, but really, go back to your groups and have that conversation, have that brainstorm, think about it. So that's the part of the creativity part. Think, you know, go out of the comfort, but pull it back. Kasi when you pull it back, you say, okay, what will sell? Okay, what will make, you want them to go to the stall. Remember, what's the action you want people to go? To go to the stall, to look for the stall. Kasi, tapos when you get to the stall, I want you also to help your enterprise organize better. Okay? I want you to help them organize their merchandise better. How much space? Saan ba sila ilalagay?
Gonzaga foyer, ma'am.
Gonzaga foyer. Okay, antrax. God, that's so... Nakaka-stress. Una, madilim.
For enterprises, ma'am.
I know, pero ang dilim. Una, madilim. Di ba, guys? Gusto nyo ba di ba, I never understand that why they sell is so dark. Well, that's one thing you can do. Baka gusto nyong ilawan. Dali nyo yung mga ring lights nyo doon, di ba? No, but seriously, I find that place, why do people sell it? It's so dark. I don't know about you, but I hate buying in the dark. I don't know what I'm buying. Wala na ibang lugar, kasi kainan din yun eh.
Tingnan namin, ma'am. Hanap kami. Yun pa lang yung reserve po eh.
Okay. So, i-move mo lang siguro. Tapos guys, ilawan nyo. Parang awan nyo na. Kasi ang dilim. Diba? So people, di ba when you're walking, oh my God, what's the light? We're like gamo-gamo, we like light. Di ba? We always say, there's light, let's go there. Ilawan nyo, agandahan yung stall. Di ba? You'll notice pagkatapos, ang lahat na mag-enterprise ng mga kapwa-kaklasyo, gagawin na rin yun. Gagandahan nila, iilawan na rin nila. Kasi I don't get why it's so dark. People don't get. So one thing you do, ayusin nyo yung stall nila. Okay, make it make it easy for people to buy. As well. Okay, kasi that's the problem. When everybody goes out, diba? Sabay-sabay sila. So, you know, actually you lose half of your market because people just say, ay, dami tayo ako na pamayatay. Ang lakas ng fallout doon, sayang yung benta doon, di ba? So you want to be able to make sure, for example, oh, don't go away here. You know, you write it down now, come back later, it will be ready, nakapack na. You get me? Because that's also being creative about it. Eh. Di ba? You can say, here, I'll give you, here's the list. Parang ano yan, parang checklist, di ba? Check how many quantity. Balik ka. Give it to us now when you come back 2 hours later. Give us your number, we'll text you how much it is. So when you come back, it's packed already. Ready. So you make it easy for the customer to buy. Diba don't you get turned off with a long queue? I don't know, but yan. When there's a queue, mga 5 people, I know ka na. Bye. Later. If it's not gonna kill me, I walk away. But that's me, because I'm old and I'm not very patient. Right? So I think kids are more patient. But you may want to do that as well. So those are some of the things that you can do. Think of the process. Because, guys, that's part of the journey. From the awareness, yung pinaka-importante consideration, napapunta nyo doon pero hindi nyo napabili kasi ang daming tao. So ayusin nyo rin yun, pwede. Okay? Ano pa? Sige, ngayon na tayo mag-isip. Mag-brainstorm na tayo para ano na. Ano pa tanong nyo? Imagine niyo yung bentahan para maano nyo. O, iilaman nyo na ha. Ayoko na makakita na madilim doon.
Ay, ma'am.
Yes.
There are groups that are...
Yeah, aside from the bazaar na on-site marketing, ma'am, and then there's the digital marketing group, there's a third group that's focused on a catalog, like a Christmas catalog. So if that's the medium, is there a specific strategy or a specific way of messaging that's different?
Okay. When you do a catalog, the secret to catalog is exactly that, categorized, curate. Okay, so anong importante sa catalog? Kayo, anong gusto niyo sa catalog? Kayo, when you see a catalog, what's the first thing that attracts you? Photos, that's right. So kailangan maganda ang photo. Diba? Kung may kakaririn kayo, pag gumawa kayo ng catalog, ang kakaririn nyo ay litrato. Hindi ba pa kayo ng picture? Kasama kayo sa picture, malaki pa kayo sa picture, malaki pa kayo sa produkto. Hindi ganun yun, ha? Diba? Okay, picture. Pay attention to the making nice pictures. Next, ano? So, category. So, let's say kung, ano yung mga produkto? For example?
For example, yung sa artisans, yung sa sikap, iba-iba ng lugar. Kung saan galing yung...
Ay, hindi importante kung saan galing. Importante yun yung produkto. Care bear ng mga tao. Okay, galing pa siyang kung saan pagaling yan, di ba? They don't really, I don't know, but you know, what they care about is the product.
Okay.
Okay? So if it's just going to take space, kasi what they want is what they're buying. Hindi naman yung lugar, it's not tourism, so they're not buying the place. They're buying the product. So, pwede sa written?
Meron isang area yung Philsa, ma'am, may packages sila na Christmas package.
Yun. So, you can feature it. So, yun, kung nakapackage na, huwag yung papakita na nakabalot. Bakit? Hindi mo lang kung nasa loob kasi nakabalot na eh. Ang importante, makita nila kung ano yung laman. So when you take a photo of it, it's without the wrapper. Usually usually nilalagay nila ng cellophane, yung ribbon. Tanggalin nyo yung cellophane, baka silang pakialam yung cellophane. They want to see what's inside. Okay, so take a picture. How much? And then the most important is the call to action. Diba? So ano mga importanteng information sa call to action? What do you want them to do with the catalog other than just look at it? Place an order, that's right. So you have to make sure, okay, na yung portion ng place an order is what? Sorry? Louder yung bigin lola mo, ano?
Big.
Big, what else? That's right, big. Kung naman masyadong big, malaki pa doon sa ano, what? Easy to do. Okay, accessible. What do you mean by accessible?
You said kanina yung order part. Yeah, accessible. Like, for example, kung hindi nila kaya.
If they can access the booth mismo sa Gonzaga Foyer because of all the crowds, they could just do it online. Like, diba, we have different teams, so the marketing team could send an online order form where they could just fill it out and then they could just drop by just to get it. They don't have to stay long.
Diba? Madali na magawa ng QR code, guys. Diba? Tapos yung QR code pumunta sa Google Form, diba? So yung Google Form, i-fill-upan lang nila yun. Kaya-kaya nyo, maski nakapikik kayo, kaya-kaya nyo gawin yun. Ako, di ko kaya yun, may tagagawa ako. Okay? So, those are the things, you'll have to understand kasi that's how, when you say marketing is all about creating value, the value is from beginning, is creating value at every step
journey.
of the customer experience. Okay, and up until they've purchased, the experience is not done. Okay? So, galingan nyo yung bawat stages ng experience. So, yung catalog, gawan nyo. So, importante ang picture, importante mo. Don't cram everything into one page. Kasi minsan, sayang, lagyan na. That's called clutter. You give it enough breathing space. Keep it clean. Keep it simple. So that the eyes is not confused where it will go. Okay? Rule of thumb, no more than 2 font styles. Tsaka huwag niyo kung binibigay ng mga font na tumataba, cartoon ko lang, di ba? Walang ganon, okay? The simpler, the better. No serifs, what is serif? Yung buntot. May tanggalin yung mga script. Pang-imbitasyon lang sa kasal yun, okay? Everything else, dapat simplihan niyo lang yung font style, okay? Ano pa? Catalog, digital. Any more? Okay. They have now till
3:30.
no.
Ay, for the...
Kasi ganito, if you want, you can start making your materials. If you need to consult, if you need help, you want to ask questions, you know where to find me. Okay? Yes? No? Kasi humanda kayo pag nakita. Pag di ko nakita yan, tapos nakita kong pangit yan, aawayin ko kayo, promise. Sasabihin ko, sino gumawa nito? Pangit na to. Aawayin ko talaga kayo, promise. Ay, hahanapin ko yan sa November. Serious ako, kasi sinabihan ko na kayo eh, di ba? So guys, I really want this to work for the so that people will buy. So that people, each could get the attention. Don't just comply with it. And what I'm saying is I'll be more than happy and willing to help. Okay? There are no more questions? So you give yourself enough time to talk about it. If you're not sure, come, we can discuss it. If you need somebody to slice the baby in half so that you know para magkaroon ng decision, I can help you with that as well. If there's none, okay, again, my favorite person in the world, Steve Jobs says marketing is about values. It's a complicated and noisy world, and we're not going to get a chance to get people to remember much about us. No company is. So we have to be really clear about what we want them to know about us. Okay? So, yeah. I can punta na tayo ng game. Takbo na tayo, okay? If there are no more questions, thank you very much.
Let's clap our hands from Mate. Okay. We still have time. Okay, we still have until 3:30. Our schedule is 1.5 hours. I think it's crucial at this point to go into your groups. Tama ba ka? Yes, go to your small groups. I need you to just do 3 things. 3 things na. Okay? And I want one of the members of your group to document it. Okay, it could be in the Google Doc. Just put everything. It could be in bullet points. Doesn't have to be in paragraph. I want you to answer 3 things. Okay, first off, what are your insights and observations from the engagement so far? Kasi yun yung panggagalingan no answers nyo to the next one. Based on the discussion today, so meron na tayong idea as to who the sender is. Tama ba ko? Because the sender is not only you. Always remember, hindi lang kayo ang sender dito. Tama ba? Yung area. Yung PhilSA, yung SICAP, yung Purple Market. And what's the other one? Hindi ko na-mention. Yung HomeNet. Okay? Yun ang sender. So, ang panggagalingan nyo is, ano yung mga na-observe nyo or insights nyo from your engagement with them? Next question is, from there, what's now going to be your message? At least start off thinking about that single proposition. No, tama ba?
Single proposition.
Single proposition, or yeah, that one big idea. But, you could brainstorm it. No, parang siguro one at a time, you could share among you. What's your idea? What do you think is that one big idea? And list it down. Third, ideas on Medium. So alam niyo na kung saan kayo naka-assign, tama? You know if you're digital marketing for the bazaar, on-site bazaar, and then the Christmas catalog. Okay? So yon. Now go to your groups at this point. Kung kulang man kayo, okay lang. Just work on whoever is here. Then maybe the other members of your group that are not here should add on to that document later on. Okay? Then once you're done, share it to me before 3:30. Okay, so now go to your small groups. Let's finish it before 3:30. Go ahead. Yes po. Ikaw na talaga.
Kawawa ka, halika mag-usap tayo. Wala kang kausap.
Where's the attendance? Anyone, where's the attendance? I think it's there. Go ahead.
Pero nakakita ko lang tayo sa yan kasi saan na ba?
My group's separate, but we'll do all of yours. My idea was decorate your Christmas. Yeah, that's a lot.